What up, peeps? I'm here making a small pot of beef stew. Get used to making stuff for just 2 people and not like a large army. You know, we come from big families, my wife and me. But that's got to simmer for a couple more hours. But what we doing today is we're going to just do a BLT. So bacon, lettuce, tomato, a little bit of mayo, and I'm going to show y'all how to do this, right? We need bread. So I got a baguette here, right? We're going to use our panini grills. As soon as that light turns green, we good. This is the thick cut bacon, right? So we're just going to take 2 slices. I'm going to cut them in half. This is a quick way to get bacon crispy and flat. Now while that's happening, this is a beefsteak tomato. We want to make some slices. Boom, some nice thin slices on our tomato. We're going to add some of the Himalayan pink salt to that, you know. And we're going to take some of this iceberg lettuce that we had left over, right? Boom, slice that down to manageable pieces, you know what I'm saying? Now we're going to take our French bread baguette. I'm going to take the little heel off of it. And that's for the chef. I'll think about that much. Alright? Take up our mayo. Add a little bit right there. Boom. I'm going to spread that around a little bit, right? The mayo. I'm tempted to put some mustard on here, but you know. Now, I'm going to do your tomato. So, boom. Tomato, like this. Remember those pieces of bacon that they got done on one side and done on the other side? Let's take them off now. We got the baguette, the seasoned tomatoes. Now we got the bacon going on there, right? Boom, hot. We're gonna do the lettuce. So this is iceberg lettuce, right? Boom, boom. It's crispy. And now let's try like that. Bacon, lettuce, tomato, BLT. Let's try it. Boom. All right. This is fantastic. Oh my God. Tasting the saltiness of a bacon, right? And the freshness of the tomato and the lettuce. Oh, bro. I was gonna make a honey mustard sauce for this, but I don't even need that. She gonna be so mad at me. Yo, I lied to y'all not. Earlier when I went to get the ingredients for my beef stew, for 2 people, this is actually good for 4 people. Only cost me $10.49. I can show you the receipt. I mean, I already had the potatoes, I already had the beef, but still, like, come on, fam. So we're gonna have some beef stew. Yo, fam, this is so good. Hey, if you like what you saw, hit it with the thumbs up. If you didn't like what you saw, still hit it with the thumbs up. Hey, listen, I'm going through some things, but hey, we all go through some things, right? Hey, stay positive. Everybody stay well. It's Big Bris TV. Gonna catch you on the next one. Oh man, this is so good. Oh, She's gonna be so mad at me.